Today we're checking out this smart Wi-Fi light bulb security camera. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Right on top, we get the user manual for setup and instructions. Here's the main camera unit. It actually looks like a normal light bulb, but it's packed with smart features. We also get an E27 light socket adapter and some mounting tools included in the box. This camera supports dual lenses, 360-degree rotation, AI human detection, and remote viewing. It can also send motion alerts directly to your phone through the V380 Pro app. There's built-in two-way audio too, so you can talk through the camera anytime. And installation looks really simple. Just screw it into a light socket like a regular bulb. See you in the next one.